Navigating university IP licensing negotiations can be daunting. First, there's the challenge of aligning interests between inventors and the institution. Next, understanding the complexities of patent rights can feel overwhelming. Then, there's the issue of valuation. How do you put a price on innovation? Negotiating terms can also be tricky, especially when it comes to revenue sharing. And let's not forget about compliance with federal regulations, which can complicate agreements. Additionally, the timeline for negotiations can stretch on, causing frustration. Intellectual property ownership disputes can arise, leading to potential conflicts. Furthermore, the lack of experience in negotiations can hinder progress. Finally, keeping up with evolving technology trends is crucial to stay relevant. For those looking to secure their inventions, visiting PatentPC.com can connect you with a professional patent attorney who can guide you through these challenges effectively.